Hi everyone, Sophie Hong here, registered dietitian, nutritionist, and certified personal trainer. So this weekend is President's Day weekend, and my friend Charmaine came visit from the Bay Area, and we try to do something different. We try to plan a wellness retreat here in LA. So normally, and when she comes, and we will just try to look for some good food and eat at whatever restaurant that she enjoys. But this time we're extra mindful. We try to choose some healthier restaurant that has healthy options, and we try to choose more vegetable and lean protein when we plan our meals and order.
We also incorporate some physical activity, including going out to hiking, and also we go to a park to walk after dinner at nighttime.
Yeah, and then we also plan some stress management activity. We schedule a nice full body massage for ourselves, and it feels so good afterward. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so we just finished our 3-day wellness retreat here in LA. So what do you think, Charmaine?
I like it. This is my first time to go to a wellness retreat. It's really well planned. So
Oh,
thank you so
okay,
much.
awesome. So how is this wellness retreat different from your normal travel?
So usually when I go travel, I just eat out at different places. I don't care about the calorie, and I barely incorporate physical activity. So end up when I go back home, I gain some weight, and then trying so hard to burn the calorie off.
Right. That's actually very common. Thank you for sharing. So I hope our experience can inspire you guys. So next time when you guys travel, think about maybe choosing some healthy options when dining out. When you plan activity, try to incorporate some physical activity throughout the day, and then that way when you go home, you don't have to try so hard to lose those weight. Awesome. If you like the content, please like the video below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.